Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to implement smooth pagination using riverpod.
Let's create paginate query in the item repository. It will be a single function for both init items and load more items. Parameters will be a limit is int number of items you want to query. Second is last document is an label document snapshot which will be used while load more items. Here docrep is a common collection reference. To load more items, we are adding an additional filter which is start after document. It should return list of document snapshot. Let's create items view model class which extends change notifier. This will contain all the query document snapshots. Now we are adding reader from riverpod to the constructor. So we can easily get the item repository instance which is singleton by reading item repository provider. Now we are creating init function which will query max 8 items. Loading will be true. There will be always loading at the bottom which will be shown after scrolling until query all items. Busy boolean is used to prevent multiple queries at a single time. Let's create change notifier provider of items view model as items view model provider. Here we are calling the init function before giving an instance to the provider. Let's create load more function. Query further documents. Now adding those documents to item docs list. Then we'll check whether new documents got or not. If not, then we'll stop bottom loading. Now we are creating a getter of the list of items which will convert documents to item objects. Let's work on the view side, watching item view model instance as model. While the first query, there will be loading at the center. For that, if items are empty and busy, else we will use custom scroll view for pagination view.
Sliver to box adapter will be at the bottom, which will be shown after scrolling max scroll extent. We have to show loading only if the number of items is more than or equal to 10. So we can predict there will be more items. Wrapping with refresh indicator. It will refresh items view model provider. Now wrapping with notification listener. We will listen to scroll notification. We will call the load more function after scrolling max scroll extent if not busy.